So, hello buddy, welcome back to another video. So, as you know by the title obviously, today's video is going to be showing you how to install the red carpets. So if you want to change your carpets over, so I'll just show you now as well the carpets that I have got. So, again, I've got these off Sam Evans. A link will be in the description to his messenger or his page, or you know, however you can contact him. But yeah, I got this Premier Edition carpet. It is absolutely immaculate, so I can't wait to get this fitted, and it will definitely look super cool. So basically I've just started out by just disconnecting the battery. As you know, I've got to remove the seats, and there is the seats in there. Now they don't have airbags, but they've got the little like resistor capacitor thing in just so they don't go off, but I just want to be super safe really. You might not need to do this, but with these seats I just don't want it to fall off and then, like, you know, just trigger like an airbag or something stupid. So I've just done that for safety really. But I've just got the mats out now, and pretty much all left to do is get the seats out. We'll try and get these little trim bits out, and then we'll get the centre console and the handbrake cover, and then the mat should come out, and then we can get the Premier carpet in, and then it should be, yeah, should be getting there pretty much. So I can't wait to fit this. Got it, I think this carpet probably about 130-40 quid around there, because I got them in the door cards for 150. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. Great condition carpet. So we're going to get this fitted and we'll see how it looks after in the car. Okay guys, so the seats are now out. Really quick to do, literally took 10 minutes, no longer. So yeah, we can get on to the other bits now, but just a little reminder as well. The battery that I did, it doesn't really matter for the passenger seat because that isn't even connected up, it's just the connector that you took away under there. But the driver's side seat was actually connected up, you know, for the seat belt and that, but the connector is just down here, the capacitor thing for it, the resistor even, sorry. So that is in there, but I just thought, you know, on the safe side you may as well do it, because you don't want the airbag kind of popping out while you undo the connector or anything. But anyway, so we've got the seats out. Next job is to get the plastics out. I do believe they have to come out, and then this here, and then that, and then that'll allow us to get to the edge of the carpet, and then we can fit it and see how clean it is. So I do think all this has to come out as well, so it's going to be a bit of a job, but I won't record all of it, so I'll just show you after I've done bits. It'll be a little bit quicker for you guys. So I will start working on the plastics, and then I will get back to you when I've got some off, and we'll see how far I've got. So hello buddy, back again. Done quite a bit actually since I was filming. So I've got that out. You don't need that out, that's out the boot. Seats, the centre console bit at the bottom, and for this there's like two clips on the seat you have to lift up there. They just pop out, they're quite hard to get out. These side bits just pop out, and then these bits you can keep in, but you just have to get under it. The middle bit, there's just a few screws down the side, and then there's one on the inside. Handbrake, you have to take that off, and then there's like a few bolts on the bottom of the handbrake that you have to get off so you can slide the mat over. Repeat on the other side, and the carpet runs through the middle of the dash, so we're going to have to cut that. But yeah, I think it's cut on the red one, so we're going to have to cut that to get it out, or you have to take the whole dash out and everything, so that'll be a bit easier. So we're pretty much there. So yeah. So hello buddy, welcome back. So I've been quite a while. Sorry, I've not really gone over much detail in this video. It's not really meant to be an how-to video, so how-to installation video. It's just kind of, you know, just showing you how they look like after pretty much. But I'll just quickly go over, because there are no other videos on YouTube that actually really show you. Although it is pretty much just easy to figure out yourself. I don't know how well it will be to show you, but it absolutely looks mint. Like, I don't know how well it will show up in here because it's pretty dark and I can't really do it outside in the sun at the moment, but yeah, I mean, I'm pretty impressed. I'll just pull the seat forward it needs hoovering because I had my shoes on and crawling across it and stuff, but it'll focus in, please. There we go. So yeah, that's the mat. So basically what you have to do is you just go down here, there's 2 screws on either side, that just pops up, and you've got obviously the handbrake, and then this bit, there's a clip in there, you push the middle and it pops out, there's a screw all the way at the bottom, it's quite tight to the carpet, that comes out, you pull the ashtray out here, the fag tray thing, and there's 2 screws in the middle, that comes off, and then this bit just pops out, the plastic, you just have to pry it up, and then these 2 come out on either side, this bit stays in, you just lift it up and you can get that out, and this bit at the back, I've just pulled this up a bit, pried it up and pushed it under, so you can actually leave this all on, you don't need to take that off. And then I think that's about it. On the other side there's a screw next to the fuel handle things, like a little square thing, and these bits just pull up a little bit. Most of the parts you don't even need to take out, to be honest. You can literally just pry it up enough, tuck it under, and you know, you're done. But I mean, it is really nice. I really do love this. I'll just show you the other side now. But the reason I went for the more expensive carpet, because there was a dude selling 2 door cards and a floor mat, which did look good condition, it just needed cleaning, but there was a hole right down there. I don't know how well it'll be, and I'll probably lighten this up in the edit, but yeah, I mean, it's just spotless. I mean, it's just so spotless, and it just fits so well. It's like, it's really well down. The only other problem I had was this side, for some reason that clip wouldn't go back in. It was really out of place, so you had to my dad was helping me, but he had to properly move it over to get the clip in. I don't know how the plastic clip actually holds that in, because there's, yeah, for some reason when it went back on it just didn't line up. And the clutch rest plastic, whatever you want to call it, the rest for your foot, that actually does not go back on, so I need to put a bit of silicone or something to silicone that back on. But yeah, I mean, it was pretty easy to do. I've just cleaned it up quickly just so it's not too much of a shit tip in here. But yeah, I'm very pleased with it. So if you are wanting to replace your Type R carpet, or obviously change it to like a Premier carpet, or just, you know, replace it with a better one, cleaner one if yours is a bit worn out, then you kind of know how to do it. Sorry I've not gone over in detail showing you every little bit, it's just kind of showing you how they look inside the car. But with the red door cards, it's so nice. You've got the red on the seat, the red gator, the red door cards, you've got matching with the carpet, so I think it's come out alright actually. So yeah, they've come out alright, and so is the carpet. I'll just show you the back very quickly, but that's yeah. Oh, by the way, these seats pop out here. There's like a metal holder here, you have to really pull that up like you're about to break it or something, because it really doesn't come out, and then that'll let you get to it, so you don't have to remove anything back here. It's just them metal clips and then the seat pops up. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy, and I hope you like it as much as I do, how it looks. So yeah, it'll kind of help you figure out, you know, how you need to fit them, but it literally is just so easy to do. I mean, it probably took, I think, 2 hours. Did get a bit of help from my dad halfway through, just so it would make it a bit quicker. But yeah, it's literally just quite easy to do. So if you're looking to replace it, you've got a hole in it, you've got some marks on it you want to get off, you just want to change the whole carpet, then that is how you do it. It's pretty easy to do. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy today's video. So I have obviously got some videos uploaded before this one, I would hope, and I've got a few others lined up, but with lockdown there's not a lot of other stuff that I can do. I'm going to do another video on the wheel spaces, just quickly showing you that, and I think that is pretty much it for the car. I literally can't think of any other bits, sorry, that would really ruin it. But yeah, we'll see what happens in the future, and I'm not leaving YouTube, so don't worry if it sounds like I am. But we've got the MX-5 project coming up soon, so yeah, it will be interesting. Anyway, rambling on again, like I do in every other video. But yeah, I think that's everything. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to drop a like and a comment, it would really mean a lot. And a subscription too would really mean a lot. So, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.